Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cupcakes without an oven. We'll explore several easy methods, including using a stovetop, microwave, or even an air fryer. You'll learn about the basic equipment you need and the key ingredients to ensure your cupcakes turn out perfectly. Get ready to bake some amazing treats, even if you don't have a conventional oven at your disposal. It's simpler than you think. For stovetop cupcakes, you'll need a large, heavy-bottomed pot with a lid and a metal stand or ring inside. Place the stand in the pot, cover it, and preheat on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Arrange your cupcake molds on the stand, ensuring they don't touch the pot's sides. Cover tightly and steam for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. This method creates wonderfully moist cupcakes. If you're using a microwave, individual cupcakes can be cooked in mugs or silicone molds. Microwave each for 60 to 90 seconds on high, checking for doneness. For an air fryer, preheat it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place cupcake liners in silicone molds or a small pan, then air fry for 8 to 12 minutes. Always remember to adjust cooking times based on your specific appliance and the consistency of your batter. To ensure your cupcakes come out perfectly, always use cupcake liners or thoroughly grease your molds to prevent sticking. It's crucial not to overfill your molds. Aim to fill them about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about frosting them. This prevents the frosting from melting and ensures a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.